Hi everyone, welcome back to Learn Eco-Science. Today we will be learning about energy, ways to save energy, and carbon footprints. We're going to start with a fun facts quiz. In 2019, how much of the world's energy do you think came from oil, coal, or gas? Is it A, 54%, B, 74%, or C, 84%? The correct answer is a huge 84%. Well done if you got it right. Now, let's go through what energy actually is. Energy gives people, animals, and appliances the power to work. It can be transferred between objects and conducted through certain materials. We're now going to do a task to learn about the different sources of energy. On the left, we have the different sources of energy, the sun, food, and electricity. And on the right-hand side, we have the descriptions. Pause the video to match the sources with the definitions and start it again when you are done. Let's now go through the answers. The sun is the biggest source of energy and plants use this energy to grow. Food is where humans and animals get most of their energy. And electricity is made in big power stations and travels along wires into our homes. Well done if you got any of these right. Most appliances in our homes use electricity, which is one of the sources of energy we spoke about before. Some examples include a kettle, a toaster, a washing machine, a lamp, and an iron. Pause the video to think about some other examples of appliances that use electricity. You might want to have a look around your house to do this. Start the video once you've completed this activity. There are two types of energy, renewable and non-renewable. Renewable energy comes from natural sources and will never run out. Non-renewable energy is made by burning fossil fuels which can run out. Renewable energy sources are much better for the environment as they don't produce the harmful gases that cause pollution and climate change. We are now going to do an activity to learn about some examples of these two types of energy. There's wind energy, which is where wind turbines are used to convert wind into electricity. Then there's oil, which is a fossil fuel and is used to make diesel and petrol, which can be used in cars. Next is solar power, which is when solar panels are used to convert sunlight into electricity. Some people have these on their house. Finally, there's coal, which is a fossil fuel, which is burnt to make electricity. Pause the video to sort these into renewable and non-renewable energy sources and restart when you are done. The correct answers are wind energy and solar power as the renewable energy sources because they are natural and they do not run out. And then coal and oil are fossil fuels, so they are non-renewable and worse for the environment. Well done if you got these right. Next, we are going to talk about carbon footprints. A carbon footprint is the total amount of carbon dioxide we use. Carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas which causes the Earth to heat up. We use this when we use fossil fuels. For example, if we heat oil to keep our houses warm, or use petrol to drive in our cars. We are going to do a craft activity to learn more about carbon footprints. The first step is to get a piece of paper and a pen or a pencil. Then draw a footprint. You might want to draw around your own foot, or you can use the green footprint here to copy. Finally, write on your footprint ways that you use energy. Some examples might include having showers, getting in the car, or watching TV. Pause the video to complete this activity and start it again once you've finished. Let's finish with a fun facts quiz. Where in the world has become one of the few countries that has almost all of their energy from wind turbines and hydrothermal sources? Is it A, England, B, Scotland, or C, China? The correct answer is Scotland. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Next week, we will be learning about ecosystems, and we will be playing an ecosystems game. See you next week, everyone.